Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to my channel, Destiny Unveiled Daily. So, guys, before I forget, first of all, I'd like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers, growing subscribers. Thank you to all my viewers na hindi nagsasubscribe. Thank you so much pa rin sa inyong lahat for visiting my channel and checking my videos. Okay, guys, so this reading is for our beloved Gemini, and this is for from this day, the third day of November, until the 15th day of November. Supposed to be this is the 15th day of November, okay? So, guys, let's ask the universe, the Holy Spirit, guardian angel, guardian spirits, what are the messages and the energy for our beloved Geminis, for their love life, regarding their love life, career, in general. Okay, so I really like to get the we have the I only need 4 cards, guys, because this is a oracle card. So the first oracle card is a star guidance. So even in the darkness, there are clues of life. Oh, so guys, it means that you are guided by the stars. So kahit sa madilim or sa gabi, the star is guiding you, or there's a light that guided you where you want to go. Something like that, no? Okay. Then the second card is the finding the light in the darkness. Bakit palaging darkness? Are you Gemini? Parang madilim na madilim yung sitwasyon mo ngayon? Wala ka na ba nakitang, hindi mo makita yung hinahanap mo, or you cannot find any solution to your worries, your problem? Finding the light in the darkness. Okay. So, yeah. Hinahanap mo yung, ano ba yun? Hinahanap mo yung solusyon sa mga problema mo. Siguro, literally, kahit dilat ang mata mo, hindi mo alam anong gagawin mo. Bakit ganito? Bakit ganito yung sitwasyon? Maaraw na maaraw, maliwanag na maliwanag, pero parang madilim. Hindi ko makita yung solusyon sa mga problema ko. Do not worry. The second card, the third card is the dense fog. Brave the fog to find the answer. Oh, you're almost clarifying each other, guys. No, you're finding answers because it's already foggy in your path. No, siguro you're in a situation where hindi mo na alam anong gagawin mo sa sitwasyon mo, no? Don't worry, guys. Gemini, my beloved Gemini, kung anong sitwasyon ka man ngayon, don't worry. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel, no? May umaga rin darating. Darating din ang umaga. Siguro, if you're literally in the business, mahina yung business mo kasi walang klase, maraming mga kalamidad na nangyari, kaya mahina yung negosyo mo. Maybe your business are targeting the students, no? Yung students talaga yung big percentage of your customers, target customers. Kaya, kasi maybe you're in a certain place where walang klase kasi baka naano sa kalamidad, affected by the calamities, no? Kung ano man ang nangyari. So, yun. Huwag kang mag-alala. Okay, Gemini, these are your 4 oracle cards for the 15 days of November. The Dawn of Darkness, the Star Guide, the Dense Fog, and the Sky City, rather. The Dawn of the Darkness, finding the light in the darkness. So this card symbolizes your awakening through trials, because you may be walking through uncertainty, no? Your confusion, your emotional heaviness. But within this darkness, Gemini, it lies your greatest transformation. Okay? So the universe is teaching you to be resilient, reminding you that the light is not lost, only hidden. Alright? So this period will push you to confront fears and release what no longer serves your path. Alright? So, gumising ka, Gemini. Dahil itong darkness na ito ang magpapagising sa'yo sa gitna ng mga pagsubok. Maaaring nasa kalituhan ang isip mo, ang sitwasyon mo, at nabibigatan ka na sa damdamin mo ngayon, Gemini, no? Or within the 15 days. Alright? Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Sa dilim na ito, with this darkness, nandito or naroon ang iyong greatest transformation, ang malaking pagbabago. Okay? Tinuturuan ka lang ng universe na magiging matatag. Okay? Maging matatag ka lang. Ang liwanag ay hindi nawala. Pansamantala lang itong natatakpan ng kadiliman. Alright? Natatakpan ng ulap. Temporaryo lang ito. Lilipas din ito. Malilipas din ang sitwasyon na meron ka. Alright? For example, some of you, Gemini, you're a businesswoman. Mahina ang negosyo mo. Maybe these are because of several factors in life due to calamities, for example, no? Maybe some of you, the target customers are students. Estudyante ang mga target customers ninyo. However, walang pasok for several weeks. Dahil, siguro, nandyan ka, yung negosyo mo ay nasa sitwasyon kung saan nasa na-affected by the calamities. Okay? Kaya't walang pasok. And your target customers are students, right? Kaya't walang pasok, mahina ang sales, alright? Mahina ang negosyo. Maybe for several weeks na. Kaya't nalilito ka na. Parang di mo na alam anong gagawin mo, ang dilim ng isip mo na. Okay? Hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin. Bakit ang tagal? Alright? So the universe, the card says, okay, this card said, don't worry, it is just a temporary. Okay? It is because your situation is affected by several factors or there are factors that affecting your business, target customers. Kaya, nandyan ka sa sitwasyon na yan, na meron ka ngayon, nalilito ka na. Okay? Nalilito ka na, anong gagawin mo? Malapit na ang mga bayarin, the fixed expenses, the rentals, the bills, malapit na, wala pa rin tayong sales. Don't worry, lalakas ka rin. Lalakas din ang negosyo mo. Alright? Ramdam kita. Alright? Baka affected yung anong ginagawa mo, trabaho ba yan? Yung branch mo? Or affected yung pag-import mo ng yung products? Kaya di mo alam, affected in different ways, in different areas of problems or different areas of blockages, no? Don't worry. The card said, this is just a temporary. Hindi naman kung may bagyo, kung may earthquake, hindi naman araw-araw may bagyo, may earthquake, okay? So pasamantala lang 'yan. Hindi naman sa lahat ng panahon walang klase. Alright? Okay? You are just tested by the universe, no? Ilagay mo lang 'yan sa isip mo. I am just tested by the universe, no? Or tested, you're being tested, your resilience, your patience being tested. Kung saan ka ba, kung gaano ka ba katatag. Alright? So the second card, Gemini, you have the star guidance. Even in the darkness, there are clues of light. Alright? So this means there's hope. The hope returns. Gemini, okay? There is hope. The universe send you synchronicities and signs through your dreams, your intuition, and sudden ideas. Okay? Kahit madilim, kahit di mo alam, nalilitong-lito ka na. There's still the light. There's still star in the middle of the darkness. Okay? In the darkness of your situation, meron pa rin ping, gumaganon sa isip mo, ganito ang gagawin ko. Okay? You are divinely guided even when the path feels unclear. Unclear kasi ang dilim. Ang star lang yung guide mo. Okay? Isipin mo yan. Kahit madiliman, there's still light in it. Okay? The star is guiding you. So, this card reminds you, Gemini, to trust the divine timing and believe that your purpose is aligning perfectly. Alright? So, ang card na ito, Gemini, again, ito ay pagbabalik ng iyong pag-asa. Alright? Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Pinadalhan ka ng universe ng mga senyales sa pamamagitan ng iyong mga panaginip, numbers, yung kutob mo, yung intuition mo, yung biglaang mga numbers na nakikita mo sa daan, sa orasan, sa mga plate numbers, no? Or even, yung nakita mo yung mga videos in the YouTube, in Facebook, 1111, 1010, 444, 555. Okay, 888, yun ang mga numbers, synchronicities, angel numbers. Okay? Even sa mga panaginip mo, nandun. Pinapatunayan nito na ginagabayan ka. Okay? Kahit hindi mo makita ang daan mo, Gemini. Hindi mo makita ang solusyon ng problema mo. Magtiwala ka lang sa tamang oras ng iyong kapalaran. Okay? Ang tadhana ay umaayon sa'yo. This is clarifying the dawn of darkness. Okay? This is clarifying the dawn of darkness. Okay? This is just a temporary, what the dawn of darkness said. Because it's a dawn, after the night, the morning comes. Alright? May umaga pa rin. Even in the darkness, the stars guided you. Alright? Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. The third card, you have the dense fog. Brave the fog to find the answers. These are clarifying each other. The three cards almost the same. Alright? Confusion. This card said to you, Gemini, that confusion surrounds you, no? But this fog forces you to slow down and reflect. You may not see the full picture yet, but your inner wisdom is growing stronger. The key is patience and your faith. Okay? Don't rush. Clarity will come when you are ready. Okay? So, balot ka sa kalituhan ngayon, rather, Gemini. Okay? Pero, ang ulap, ang aso, na nagiging itong madilim or hindi klaro sa iyo, ay nagtuturo sa iyo na maghinay-hinay at magmuni-muni. Okay? Hindi mo na nakikita ang buong larawan, pero tumitibay na ang iyong karunungan through your experiences, through your situations right now. Ang susi lang ay iyong tiyaga at pananampalataya. Do not be tired in being resilient and prayers to heaven above, through Almighty Father, the Holy Spirit, no? Huwag ka lang magmadaling makarating din sa liwanag. Huwag kang magmadaling makarating sa iyong gustong papuntahan. Okay? Darating din ang tamang oras para sa iyo, Gemini. Okay? So the third card, Gemini, you have the Sky City. The sky of your dreams is waiting to be explored. Finally, you rise above the storm, Gemini. This card reveals your expansion, success, and new opportunities. No? Gemini, your dreams are ready to take flight. Don't let fear grounded you. Okay? So explore new venture, new ideas, new connections that fill your spirit. Alright? Aangat ka rin mula sa unos, Gemini. Palawakin mo lang ang iyong isipan. Okay? Dahil ang mga oportunidad at tagumpay ay naghihintay sa iyo. Okay? Panahon din ito, Gemini, para ikaw ay lumipad patungo sa iyong mga pangarap. Huwag ka lang matakot at huwag ka lang magmamadali. Okay? Tuklasin ang bagong mga ideas at connection na nagdadala sa the real happiness and ang pag-aangat sa iyo. Okay? Alright. Let's set this aside. Because we're going to have our major, our tarot cards. Universe, Holy Spirit, Guardian Angel, Guardian Spirits. What are the messages? What are your messages for our beloved Gemini for the first half of November? First half of November. Queen of Cups. You're so oh you're so emotional. You're so emotional this 15 days of first 15 days of November, Gemini. Okay, you're loving, you're emotional. All right, there's a new offer of love. There's a new emotion. Oh, you're too emotional, guys. All right, there's Nine of Cups. Your self fulfillment. Have justice. May pagdidesisyonan ka. It's 15 days of November, Gemini. So you have the Page of Wands. Kaya kang may bagong sisimulan. Yun, may bago kang sisimulan. Six of Swords, may iiwanan ka. So you are about to abandon, you're about to depart. What's no longer serves you. May Four of Cups ka dito, para kang may pinaghihinayangan. Pero, yun, you're the Empress. You have the energy of stability. Some of you Gemini, stability, strong intuition. There is a birth of something. For some of you, literally pregnant or fertile. There's Queen of Cups. There's couple, Knight, and the Queen. Oh no, no, it's different. Ah, wait. Bali. You have the Three of Cups. You have you need a collaboration. Seven of Pentacles. So guys, the bottom of the deck is the Sun. Alright. So Gemini, here are the messages from the universe for the first 15 days of November. Okay. So the first card, you have the Queen of Cups. Right. So this card shows the deep emotional sensitivity and intuition. Okay. So you are being guided to listen to your heart and trust your feelings. Because Gemini, you may find yourself more compassionate, nurturing, and understanding towards others for these 15 days of November. Okay? So, ito ang tanda ng iyong pagkakamaunawain this 15 days of November. At malalim ang iyong damdamin or ikaw ay maramdamin. Okay? Siguro mauunawain ka for these 15 days. So, pakinggan mo ang iyong puso at intuition. Ito ang nagtuturo daw sa tamang direksyon para sa iyong mga plano, gusto, at hangarin sa buhay. Alright? So, you will be emotional these 15 days of November, Gemini. So, next you have the Six of Swords. So, you are moving away for mental chaos and you are entering to a calmer water. Okay? Your healing and recovery are finally on the way. So, ikaw ay aalis sa magulong sitwasyon. Kung ano ang nakakalito, nagpapalito sa iyong isip, yun ay tinatatapusin mo at gusto mo ng kaliwanagan, katahimikan ng iyong isip at healing. Yung paghihilom. No? Paghihilom sa magulong mong isipan. Alright? So, mga negativity, huwag masyadong mag-isip ng negative, Gemini. Okay? Huwag masyadong guluhin ang isip mo. Just accept that your situations right now. Kung anong meron tayo ngayon, huwag mong kung problema man ang sitwasyon natin ngayon, huwag mong palalain. Okay? Sa tingin natin ay problema na, huwag na nating isip-isipin hanggang hindi na tayo hindi na tayo makatulog, para na tayong ginugulo na natin yung mga isip natin. Hindi na natin binigyan ng katahimikan ng isip natin. Kaya tapusin mo or may tatapusin kang magulong pag-iisip. Or kung hindi magandang sitwasyon na meron ka ay dapat mo nang iiwanan. Tatapusin mo talaga siya para magkaroon ka ng katahimikan sa isip mo. Okay? For these 15 days. Alright? If you're out of control of your situation, hayaan mo na. Okay? Hayaan mo na. Pag hindi mo kontrolado ang lahat. Okay? Kung hindi mo kontrolado ang iyong sitwasyon. Whether you are in the business, in a love relationship, or in a family relationship, kung hindi mo kontrolado ang mga nasa surroundings mo. Okay? Wag mong sirain mo yung, wag mo yung sirain ang isip mo, okay? Sorry guys, may konti lang gusto ko. Okay. Yun. Kung ano mang sitwasyon natin ngayon, Gemini, no? We're fellow Gemini guys. I am Gemini also. For some of us, Gemini, kung meron mang naguguluhan, may emotional, alisan mo na, tapusin mo na. Huwag mo nang dagdagan, huwag mong pahabain para hindi ma-destroy yung diskarte mo sa buhay. Mag-isip ka na lang kung hindi mo kontrolado ang isang sitwasyon. Mag-isip ka ng panibagong solusyon. Okay? Kung whether it's kung negosyo man yan, mahina yan, pwede kang, this is just a temporary. Lagay mo doon sa mga oracle cards mo, this is just a temporary kung anong sitwasyon mo. If your business is low, that is just a temporary. If you're in a relationship, you're too emotional because of, naguguluhan na yung isip mo dahil sa relasyon mo. Anong gagawin mo? Kung kaya pa, patawarin. Kung hindi na kaya, kasi for me guys, kung magluloko ang isang tao, loko-loko talaga siya. Okay? I don't believe in second chance, especially in relationship. Why? Even myself, if I will commit mistake to a relationship, it means your partner, your lover is no longer good for you. Kung sino mang makaka-relate dito, I don't know. I'm sorry, but this is my advice for me. I don't know. Because I am different person also. Guys, we're Gemini. Okay? We are intelligent people. Gemini are intelligent. Okay? So, wag tayong magpapaloko sa mga manluloko, no? Why? This is in concern of whenever this is in a relationship na mga liar, manluloko na mga partners or boyfriends or kanino mang you're connected with. Because for me, even myself, I have tried it before. My boyfriend asked me to, he will accept me because kahit lang daw pang dalawa sila. I said, of course not. Isa lang kasi yung damdamin natin, no? It means, based in my experience, kung parang, I'm not ko, since, parang kasing parang, if you are not, this is in my way na, parang kung hindi ka kasi satisfied sa isang bagay, or isang sitwasyon, hindi naman na, what I mean is, kung hindi talaga siya, parang, kung hindi siya naging tama for you, okay, wag mo na siyang hawakan. Or, kung siya yung nakakasala, wag mo siyang tanggapin ulit. Why? Kung nakakagawa yan ng masama, nakakagawa ng lies to you guys, he or she will do it again. Why? Yun ang sinabi ko nga. No, me, I will never forgive in a relationship. Yeah, I forgive people who commit mistake to me. Not really forgive, but I forget them. Literally forget. I will forget the situation. Parang forget lang. And I make a distance between the people. Parang gano'n na lang. Because for me, when you say, they will say sorry, no. I cannot accept sorry. Why? Especially in a relationship. Kasi ginawa mo na yon, ibig sabihin, I am not good to you. I am no longer fit to you. That's why, my advice, if someone did something to you bad to your relation, especially in a relationship, guys, do not let them give a second chance, no? Siguro, okay lang if you have children. But, make it sure na totoo yan. Okay? Make it sure. Because for me, talaga, maybe even if I have family, children, I can no longer give him a second chance. If this represent in a relationship, guys, no? this card will represent a relationship. No way. Why? Many times I told you, people commit mistake, or your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife will commit mistake. That means you're no longer good, or he's no longer loves you. That's my stand. That's my being a Gemini. Do not, kasi sometimes Gemini, we're fool. We're fool, especially in love, no? But no, put it in your mind, generally, any zodiac, any energy, lalong-lalo na magloko ang isang tao, mababae man o lalaki, ibig sabihin, we're no longer good to them. Gets? Not give the second chance. Ang dami namang tao sa mundo. Okay na siguro pag you're married, no? But for me, if you did it once, you will do it twice and more until what? You know what? Because giving more chances, my God, it will gives you more kanangkuan, steady and gradual pain inside of you, silently. Because we Gemini are parang patient bitaw sometimes. Sometimes maluloko din tayo kasi we're good in mindset. We're good in mind. Parang we're strong in our mindset. Okay? It's okay. It depends on you. Whatever your reason. If you're giving a chance, good. If you have the right reason, that's good. Wag mo nang paloko yung isip mo. Kung paloko-loko yung sino yung girlfriend or boyfriend mo na nagloloko. Hayaan mo sila. No? Me, I will never give a second chance. I never. That's why we should be loyal we don't like a person who's gone. Because me, I will never accept sorry in a relationship. Okay? Yeah. I'm sorry for this advice. But para man lang, our life is so short na, no? Our life is so short. Bibigyan pa tayo ng mental illness, sa kakaisip sa kanila. Yan, nakakasira na yung bait. Yung mga ganong relasyon, no? Yun. Kasi don't worry because whenever someone is paloko-loko, don't worry. Kasi you have the Page of Cups, expect an emotional surprises and messages of love. Don't worry. Hindi naman iisa lang yung lalaki o babae sa mundo eh. Ang dami naman. Ang dami sila. Okay? Maraming tao sa mundo. That's my advice. Okay? That's my fucking advice. I'm sorry about that, no? So, someone may open up to you sincerely. Okay? Kasi, yun ang isipin mo. Pag may magloloko, pag may mawawala, may darating na tamang tao para sa atin. With real love for us. Okay? Reject the low vibration na hindi naka-level ng frequency natin. Okay? Get them away. So, leave them behind. When you leave, you can find a new love. When this energy is in love. When this pain is in, when this mental disturbance, mental illness is because of other factors in life, well, same. Just leave it behind. Stop thinking about it and go. Because there's a new surprises. There's new beginning. Okay? May paparating na great news. Good news na puno ng happiness or pag-ibig. Right? Maraming magbubukas sa'yo ng koneksyon. Whether you're in business, in love. So don't kill yourself for that energy that is not anymore aligned to your vibes or your frequency, Gemini. Gemini, should be wake up because we are genius and we're intelligent people, right? So huwag tayong paloko-loko sa mga taong manloloko, no? So next card, you have the Nine of Cups. This is a wish fulfillment, Gemini. Your hard work, the patient, brings emotional satisfaction. Okay? Ito ang happiness emotionally. If you leave them behind, you forget them. Okay? And move on. Whether it's in a relationship, in the business, huwag mo nang bigyan ng na maluloko yung isip mo. If you forget and go away, you will find the new love, new connection that will give you wish fulfillment. Okay? Wish fulfillment and emotional satisfaction. Okay? Ang mga kahilingan mo ay matutupad na. Okay? Ito na ang panahon or makikita mo ang darating din ang panahon ng kasiyahan mo at being happy alone. Okay? Magiging happy ka if you leave the negative frequency, negative energy behind. Okay? Kahit nag-iisa ka lang. Importante, walang magpapasakit emotionally and mentally sa'yo. Kasi mental health is important. Mental illness is fatal, nakakamatayan. That's the latest issue now. Okay? Online. Huwag kang ano, magpapabiktima sa kanila, Gemini. Whatever it is, whatever situation you are in, okay, huwag kang mapabiktima. Kung negosyo man yan, kaperahan man yan, okay lang yan. Importante, we are healthy. We are healthy, that we can still think what to do next. Kung hindi man natin makontrol ang sitwasyon na ito, pwede pa tayong pumunta sa kabilang magkaroon ng bagong oportunidad, relationship, connection. Hindi tayo magpapakamatay sa mga nakaka-low frequency, nakaka-negative energy sa isip natin. No? Nakakasira ng isip natin. No? Kasi nakakamatay ang mental illness. Gemini. Okay? Ito nga, sinasabi na, it is just a temporary. There's light. There's light after the night, or there's a star that guiding you. Okay? The next card you have the Justice. This is a karma, and you have karma and fairness energy. Okay? What you're giving out is coming back to you in balance. Okay? Kung ano ang binibigay mo sa universe, ito ay babalik din sa'yo. Kaya't huwag kang mag-wish ng masama towards others. Huwag kang magselos-selos, Okay? Kasi kung ano yung nasa bad thoughts mo, yon ang mangyayari sa'yo. If you are, making cursing, making spells, you are jealous towards other people, or may magsaselo sa'yo, kaya this is your reading, kaya huwag kang gagawa na magkakapahamak sa iba, kasi ito ay babalik sa'yo. Okay? Makamit mo ang hustisya at balanse, Gemini, within 15 days. Okay? So, yun. Basta huwag kang gagawa ng masama sa ibang tao. Yan lang. Huwag kang mag-isip. This is a sword. Huwag kang mag-isip ng masama sa ibang tao. Kasi, yun ay babalik sa'yo yan. Alright? Gemini. So, Gemini, you have the Page of Wands. This is a new passion. And creative energy are coming your way. So, huwag kang be stuck. Kaya't ikaw ay umalis at magkakaroon ka ng mga panibagong oportunidad. Okay? Whether in work, in job, in relationship, in emotional relationship, in finance, in business, in all enterprises, if you let yourself free from your mental problem. Okay? Emotional blockages and mental blockages. That's the best thing to do. Leave them behind. Alright? Kasi maraming mga bagong opportunities on your way. Okay? Be positive all the time, Gemini. Because there's a light even in the darkness night. Okay? The stars are guiding for you. Okay? So the Page of Wands, mga panibago kang proyekto, trabaho, negosyo, huwag ka lang matakot magsimula. Huwag kang matakot magsimula. Gawin mo. Kaya yan ang sabi ko, lumabas ka, tapusin mo na yung mga kalituhan mo para makita mo ang panibagong oportunidad. Whether in love, in business, in all, in anything you want. Just go. Explore. Here's the Star City said, the sky city of your dreams is waiting to be explored. Marami ka pang pwedeng gagawin. Marami pang oportunidad na hindi mo pa nakikita at hindi mo pa na-try. Alright? Ang dami. Huwag kang magpapabulag sa mga hindi mo kontrolado. Huwag kang mapapabulag na hindi umaayon ngayon. Ang universe said, temporary lang yan. Kung anong meron tayo ngayong problema, temporary lang yan. Lilipas din yan. Okay? Huwag mo lang ilagay mo sa isip mo kasi nakaka-mental illness yan. Ang sabi, umalis ka, limutan mo yan, at gumawa, or you need to act a new beginning. Find a new opportunity. Okay? Kasi, kung hindi mo yan, kung may mga when you leave something behind, magkakatagpo ka rin ng panibago. In general. Alright? The next card, you have the Four of Cups. Kasi, you may feel emotionally stuck or discontented. Nanghihinayang ka. Siguro, may nagawa ka in the past na nanghihinayang ka kasi hindi mo siguro nagamit. Nakabili mo na akala mo na magagamit mo, na stock lang pala at hindi mo nagamit. Sana, you need it. You need it talaga. However, naano mo sa ibang bagay at ngayon, nangangailangan ka. This is an emotional, emotional discontentment, emotional stuck. Parang, yun nga, nanghihinayang ka sa nawala sa'yo. Okay? Yung nagawa mo noon na hindi ka naka-benefits, something like that. No? Kung relasyon mo yan, wag. In any factor, in any issue, wag kang manghihinayang. Kasi lahat ng bagay sa mundo, lahat ng tayo ay lilipas man din. Okay? Hindi natin alam kung ano at sino ang para sa atin. What is good for you? Only God, only the Holy Spirit know what is right for us. Alright? Kung nahihinayang ka sa isang relasyon, hinayang ako kasi ilang taon na naging kami. Huwag. Di mo lang alam. God used him or God used her for you to, what? To be awakened, to be matured. Okay? Yun ang sinabi ko. Pag makita natin na hindi na naka-level sa frequency at energy natin, we will kick them out of our lives. We will kick them out sa buhay natin kasi hindi na sila nakakabigay ng mabuting energy, mabuting experience, mabuting bonding sa atin. Kasi we're no longer dancing in our tone, in our music, na? They're no longer vibrating in our own frequency. Alright? So, wag kang manghihinayang sa mga nawawala, nasasayang, kung bagay man ito, may umaalis. Kung may umaalis, wag kang manghinayang, may darating din sa'yo. Kita mo yon? Yung girl na yan, kung lalaki ka man, nanghihinayang ka, sa girlfriend mo, wag kang manghihinayang. Nandyan yan, may darating sa'yo. Okay? Na much better than her. Vice versa. Better than him. Okay? Some of you, Gemini, may nababagot. Okay? Yung walang pasensya. Gusto ngayon na. Wala ng pasensya kasi yun, siguro importante sana, pero yun ang sinabi ng universe, temporary lang ang lahat. Kung anong problema ngayon, lilipas din yan. Okay? So, buksan ang sarili sa mga bagong posibilidad, opportunities, connection, pag-ibig, bagong negosyo, bagong trabaho. Yun. Okay? Yes? The next card, you have the Empress. Okay? You have abundance. Huwag kang mababagot kasi may darating sa'yo na abundance. You're beautiful. You have the growth, fertility, or literally some of you Gemini are pregnant, or some of you who wants to have children or a child. Now is the time because you are fertile. Okay? or this is the right time to make a new start, a new opportunity, a new business. And some of you are nurturing a child, nurturing a pet, no? So, yon may mga kasaganaan. Kasaganaan at pag-usbong sa iyong sitwasyon. Some of you, Gemini, alagaan mo ang iyong mga ideas at o negosyo, pag-ibig, bagong pag-ibig, dahil ito ay magtatagumpay in the right time. Right? Wow. The next card, you have the Knight of Cups. This is a romantic gesture or a heartfelt action that will uplift your spirit. Dahil may isang tao na magpapakita ng seryosong damdamin. Tanggapin mo ang pag-ibig na ito, kaya hayaan mo na sila. Kung sila ay nagluloko-loko, hayaan mo sila kasi darating na isang seryosong tao. Okay? The real love, the real emotion, a real feeling for you, Gemini. Okay? Yeah, hindi man siya nagmamadali, pero in the right timing, you will meet the right and the perfect relationship for you. The right man for you, the right man. Yeah, this is the right man and the right woman for you, Gemini. Okay? Yan ang sinabi ko, pag may mawawala, may darating. Okay? Kung loloko-loko yung previous mo, yung darating ay kabaliktaran. Mabuti, mapagmahal, hindi manluloko, yun. Okay? Or baka naman, ikaw yung manluloko, Gemini. Wag. Kasi pag ikaw ay manluloko, wala kang katahimikan, hindi ka magtatagumpay. Sabi ko yan. Because that's what the energy, what you give, what you receive. Alright? So, always be good. Gemini, magiging happy ka na at magiging impressed ka na kasi makikita din kayo ng taong ito. The next card, you have the Four of Pentacles. You may be holding too tightly to something. Whether it's money, it's an emotion, it's a feeling, or fear. Okay? Learn to let go and trust yourself. Trust the universe. Okay? Bitawan mo raw. Bitawan mo raw yung anong pinakahahawak-hawakan mo na hindi mo maibigay-bigay or mapapakawalan. Hawak mo. Dahil ikaw ay takot, mawala ito, or ikaw ay too much in control of what you have. Okay? Ang paglabas ng energy daw ay magdadala ng bagong biyaya. Yeah, that's true, guys. That's what the Feng Shui said. Ang kasagutan pag wala kang pera is kung anong pinakalas na pera mo, ibigay mo raw yon. Paano ko ibigay? This is my last money. Yun, sa Feng Shui, yun ang sinabi na, ibigay mo daw yun. Because, when you give it, mas makakatanggap ka ng malaki daw, pagpapala. Yeah. But some of you, Gemini, I can feel that you're holding tight with your money, with your savings. Siguro nagsisave ka, or you can feel that you are stable, no? You can feel it, hindi naman na marami kang pera, but gusto mo lang may savings ka, yeah, that you can feel the balance in you. Gusto mo makakaupo ka, emotionally, para kang emotionally fulfilled ba with your konting ipon. There's nothing bad to that for me. Why? Because sometimes we need to feel stable. Kasi para kasing kung walang-wala ka, hindi maganda yung emosyon mo pag walang-wala ka. You feel needy. In motivation, in affirmation kasi guys, if you feel parang lacking ka, parang you need money, parang hahabulin mo yung energy ng money, hahabulin mo yung pera. Kasi pag sa in affirmation and motivation, the law there is, yung energy pag hahabulin mo ay mas lalo yung tatakbo or papalayo sa'yo. Kasi in motivation or in affirmation, hindi kasi yan pamadalian. You are affirming of something. But you know what? Hindi yan agad-agad na mangyayari. It took years, it took months. No? It took months, it took years, depending on how heavy it is. How heavy is the energy. kung ano kalaki yung dream mo, yung gusto mo. Yun, totoo yan guys. I really tried that, no? Grabe, last 5 years ago or 6 years ago, grabe yung affirmation ko guys. And in the morning, o siguro almost 6 hours ako nag-affirmation every day. Kahit anong ginagawa ko, nag-affirmation ako guys. You know what? Pag mag-affirmation ka at wala ka namang ginagawa, yun, hindi mo makita yung resulta. Siguro meron pero matagal. Para kasi ako, nag-affirm ako ng pera noon. And then, bumili ako ng, yun, na-share ko na ito sa previous reading ko, but this is different. Yung affirmation ko is, nag-affirm ako ng money every parang daming video na pinaparinggan na nakikinig ako ng maraming video about money affirmation guys. And I did that in the morning and in the evening, no? Kahit anong ginagawa ko, nagpapakain ako ng bata, naghuhugas ako, nagluluto ako, naglalaba ako. Nag-headset ako guys para hindi ako humahawak ng cellphone ko. Nandun lang sa tenga ko at naririnig ko yan in my own ears, no? And then I did that because I bought something, an investment. Kaya yung result is something like within that month. Grabe, yun totoo talaga yon. Pag mag-affirm ka at ginagawa mo din, grabe, ang bilis pala ng resulta. Pero yung mag-affirm ka na parang, ay, gusto ko magkakabili ako ng house and lot, pero wala ka naman trabaho. Paano ka makakabili? Hindi ka rin nagbibili ng lottery ticket. So, parang imposible mangyari. Pero mangyayari man lang yan, mangyayari talaga yan. However, it took years maybe. Hanggat ikaw ay kikilos para magkakaroon ka ng result. Magkakapera ka, bibili ka na ba ng ticket sa lottery? Yon. Something like that. Okay? So, yon. Maybe you are holding it tightly because maybe marami kang experience before, marami kang plano, kaya nag-iipon ka. And being feel stable, parang dinadaya mo din yung parang walang-wala. Dadayain mo yung energy. Kasi yung affirmation guys, nag-a-attract daw yon immediately or pag the real affirmation is you will feel it like parang totoo, nangyari na sa'yo. Parang, I feel rich, I feel beautiful, I feel millionaire, I feel abundance, I am prosperous, something like that. You should feel it, guys. Hindi lang yung affirm ka, sinasabi mo lang yon pero hindi mo naman feel. Yon ang mga matagal daw na resulta. Ayun. So, related to the Four of Pentacles, it is better and feel great. Maybe this is your energy that you feel stable. Kahit anong mangyari, I feel stable. Konti lang ito, pero I am happy and contented. Something like that. But it says, if you want more, you give it. You give. Okay. You give thou. Do not hold it so tightly. Let it go. Something like that. But maybe this let it go is in the other factors in life. Maybe in a relationship, parang in love ka. So that's why, kahit niloloko ka na, binubugbog ka na, gusto mo pa rin siya. Ayaw mo siyang mawala. Yun ang wag mong gagawin if you're in this kind of relationship. But if this is in many matters, there's nothing wrong with it. You are seeking. But if this is a relationship, whether you're manluloko na karelasyon, o ibigay mo na sila, may darating din sa'yo, okay? Ibigay mo. Pag hindi na maganda yung frequency na sa'yo ng iyong lover mo. Wag mong dayain yung happiness mo. Dayain mo siya kasi umuwi siya. Bubugbugin ka naman niya. Umuwi siya. Masaya ka kasi umuwi siya. Hindi ka naman niya pinapansin. Ina-insult ka naman niya. Anong gagawin mo? Happy ka pa ba dyan? Wag na. Tadyakan mo yan palabas. Yun. Huwag kang paano. Gemini ka eh. Or ikaw Gemini. Baka ikaw yung ganon. Ikaw pa yung paloko-loko. Okay? Kasi yung paloko-loko talaga. Magkakarma-karma yan. Promise. Just, Gemini, just do your being loyal and faithful to anybody. Huwag kang gagawa na babalik sa'yo. Huwag kang gawa ng babalik sa'yo. Huwag kang gagawa ng masama kasi yan ay babalik talaga sa'yo, Gemini. I warn you. I'm telling you, rather. Okay, Gemini, the next you have the Three of Pentacles, okay? This is a card of collaboration and teamwork that will bring you closer to your success, okay? Kasi, makakamit mo daw ang mga tagumpay mo sa pagtutulungan at pagkakaisa ng mga ideas. So, maybe you'll be signing a contract, you're collaborating for some people, if you're a influencer, ay mag-aano ka sa ibang, you're doing a collaboration, or you'll be signing a contract of a new job, no? Or a new business venture, no? So, ito ang maganda. Ganda din ito. Ito ang, because it says here that two heads are better than one. So, you really need a team or collaboration para maisasagawa yung nasa isip mo, maisasagawa yung gusto mo, maisasagawa yung pinaka dream ideal career mo or ideal business mo. Okay? So the next card, you have the Seven of Pentacles. This is a card that your patience will soon pay off. Okay? The seeds you planted are now growing. Okay? Kailangan mo lang yan ng sipag at tiyaga. Okay? Magbubunga din ang iyong mga efforts, your investments. Huwag ka lang mawawala ng pag-asa. Malapit na ang resulta ng iyong mga yung efforts mo, yung investments mo. Kasi, kailangan mo na aalagaan yan every day. Whether it's your business, kung mahina man ang sales mo, okay lang yan. As long as you're always open. Marami ka rin sales bukas. Okay? Just nurture, just pagtiyagaan. Kasi yung bunga ng iyong tagumpay ay hindi naman 24 hours. Okay? If you're planting a seed, it took months, even years to have fruits, to have flowers, na? It took months to grow. At it took months to give flower and fruits. Correct? So, kailangan talaga ng tiyaga. Tiyaga at pasensya. Okay? So, whatever you do, kailangan ng pasensya. Pasensya. Kung di na kaya, either paalisin, aalis, or magsasarado kung di mo kaya. Alright? So, Gemini, your challenges for the 15 days of November, kailangan mo, ang hamon ng sitwasyon mo, ang mga hamon ng buhay mo ngayon, Gemini, for 15 days ay bitawan mo raw. Okay? Huwag mong sobrang kontrolin. Okay? Huwag mong sobrang kontrolin ang isang sitwasyon na meron ka ngayon na nagbibigay ng kadiliman ng iyong isip. Okay? Matutong magtiwala sa daloy ng buhay, Gemini. Okay? Nasa pagitan ka lang ng kagustuhang maligtas ang magiging malaya sa emosyon. Because take note, everything now is temporary. Kung anong sitwasyon ka man ngayon, temporary pa yan. Temporary lang yan. Okay? Just trust the flow and the divine timing. So, the advice of the universe, be patient and compassionate with yourself. Alright? Open your hearts to the new emotional beginnings. Allow your creativity to guide you towards abundance. So, magkakaroon ka talaga ng pasensya at malasakit sa iyong sarili. Is that, I thought may bisita kami. Alright, so, yun guys, buksan ang puso mo sa bagong mga simula. Okay? Hayaan ang iyong pagkamalikhain na magdala ng kasaganaan sa buhay mo. Okay? So, be open to new opportunities talaga, Gemini. Kaya, alisin mo yan, hindi mo na makontrol. Okay? Alisin mo. Just go to the new opportunities, create new opportunities. Okay? So, Gemini, this is your period that brings emotional balance, healing, and the birth of new creativity and opportunities. Okay? You are being guided towards peace and success in your inner fulfillment. So, let go of fears and embrace the divine timing. Trust your intuition. Okay? And magtiwala ka lang sa proseso ng buhay. At ang lahat ng itatanim mo or itinatanim mo ay magsisimula ng mamumunga for these 15 days of November. Okay, so if this reading resonates you, Gemini, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. So, for more cosmic guidance. So, until next time, my beautiful Gemini, keep shining your light in the darkness. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. God bless you more. And break a leg. Bye!